Alright, in this tutorial we'll look at how to use Xodo to mark up PDFs and submit them in Schoology. So go to your assignment in Schoology, and here you can see my teacher has linked the PDF, so I'll just click on it. It'll open in my preview, and then I'll need to download it, so I'll click the down arrow. It'll come down to my little tab on the bottom. I'll go back to Schoology, and here my teacher's linked to Xodo for me, so I can just click on it. Otherwise I can go to Xodo.com. and I will launch the application. Now here I'm already logged in, but if I were not, it'd say guest, and I would click that. I would sign in and then sign in with Google. That'll attach to my Google account. I may have to give permissions the first time. Now I find you can drag your file in here, but I find that it's nice to go to the bookshelf and then click and drag it in, because then it'll stay saved for you, and it will take just a moment, but it'll convert over in this area. The thumbnail appears, it's ready. So now I can double click on this and open my document in Xodo. Now it is ready to do some editing. Notice the first button just opens and closes this side tab. I do have some settings here for display if I want side by side or if I need to rotate things. The hand allows me to pan up and down. The pointer allows me to move objects that I have created. So here if I have created a drawing, I can click and move it around. The next one snaps it to the width of my page. And then I have zoom in and zoom out options, as well as if I collaborate with somebody else. This allows me to share my document and collaborate with someone. A couple of the most common tools to use are the drawing tool, so that's this one. If I select it, I can choose a color, and then I can actually draw on my file. The next one is a highlighter, so select your color and then highlight items. I can also choose shapes so that I can circle things or box them, for instance. The signature tool allows me to click in my document and create a signature. And then I click the checkbox to accept it. Remember, I have my arrow tool if I want to move that around on my page. I do have a text box tool, so I can click and add text boxes. And then the comment tool allows me to click anywhere on the document, and notice the comments tab opens on the side. I do need to save them, but I can also change them by color coding them or clicking on it, and I could delete it as well. The three dots do provide some good options. There's a call out option, so if I click that, it allows me to draw some arrows and call things out on my page, just like this. I can also click the arrow and insert an image. So this is handy because I can find an image that's on my computer, open it, and then actually overlay that right on top of my PDF. When I'm finished, I can click back up on Xodo here and go back to my bookshelf, and my annotated file should be in here. I can double click on it again to reopen it. I do find that it can take up to a half a minute or a minute for my annotations to reload. Once I have it there though, I can come up to the top and I can copy my URL, and then I can go to my Schoology course. I can go to Submit Assignment, choose Create, paste in my link, and submit. And now my teacher has a link to my annotated PDF that they can click on, and it will take them right to the work that I have done. And again, it may just take a moment for the annotations to load. The other option I would have had too is I could click this download arrow, and that will download it as an actual PDF file. And then back in Schoology, if I had preferred, I could have hit the upload tab, chosen this first button, and then actually uploaded the file to Schoology. So you've got a couple options, and Xodo is a great tool. Enjoy.